Welcome to the spoken tutorial on creating objects. In this tutorial, we will learn about reference variables, constructing objects, and memory allocation for objects. Here we are using Ubuntu version 11.10, JDK 1.6, and Eclipse IDE 3.7.0. To follow this tutorial, you must know how to create a simple class using Eclipse. If not, please see the spoken tutorial on these topics available at spoken-tutorial.org. We know that variables and methods together form the members of a class. To access the members of a class, we need to create an object for the class. Now let us see what an object is. An object is an instance of a class. Each object consists of state and behavior. Recall the example of human being class we had discussed in the earlier tutorial. Object stores its state in fields or variables. It exposes its behavior through methods. Now let us learn about reference variables. We know about the 8 primitive data types in Java. All other types refer to objects rather than primitives. Variables that refer to objects are reference variables. Let us go back to the student class which we had already created in the earlier tutorial. Now let me remove the main method from this class. Now save the file by pressing Ctrl and S key simultaneously. Now create another class named TestStudent inside the same project. I have already created it. In this class, I have the main method. Now inside the main method, I will create an object of the student class. For that, inside the main method, type student space stud1 equal to new space student opening and closing brackets semicolon. Thus, we have created an object of the student class. Here, student is the name of the class for which the object is to be created. Stud1 is a reference variable referring to one object of the student class. And the new keyword allocates space for the new object to be created. Please note that stud1 is not the object of the student class. It only holds the reference of the new object created. Now let us see what stud1 contains. So next line, type system.out.println within brackets and double quotes stud1 contains space plus stud1 and then semicolon. Now save and run the file teststudent.java. We get the output as follows. So here student is the name of the class of the new object created. The second part is the memory address of the new object created. We can access the fields and methods of the student class using stud1. We will learn about these in the coming tutorials. Now I will create one more object of the student class. So I will type student space stud2 equal to new space student opening and closing brackets semicolon. Now type next line system.out.println within brackets and double quotes, stud2 contains space plus stud2 and then semicolon. Now let us save and run this file. We can see that here stud1 and stud2 refers to two different objects. That is, stud1 and stud2 are referring to two different students. They have different roll numbers and names. Now we can make a change here. Here type student stud2 equal to stud1. Now save and run this file. We can see that here both stud1 and stud2 refers to the same object. That means both stud1 and stud2 are referring to the same student with a roll number and name. So, in this tutorial, we learnt about reference variables, creating object using new operator and assigning references. For self-assessment, create another class named testEmployee, create an object of the employee class with reference variable as emp1. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Thus, we have come to the end of this tutorial. This is Arya Ratish from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for joining us.